Hey, what's going on? This is going to be a quick video clip from a recent hunt we had. We're using 650 grain 50 BMG tracer ammo. We thought it would look cool filming the tracers through the PVS-14, and we've had a lot of comments and requests to show the aftermath of pigs shot with a 50 BMG. So just a warning, it's going to be pretty graphic.
Got him.
You'll see here, even though that we were using tracer ammo, the entry wound looks pretty normal, but the exit wound is absolutely enormous, which is the case most of the time with 50 BMG. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos.